Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a day in the life of a mama 5, and this is a little bit different because we are getting hit with a major snowstorm, like over a foot of snow. I believe we got like 16 inches of snow. It was crazy. But anyways, the kids are home from school for the next 2 days, and so that means 3 out of the 5 kids are e-learning, and so that falls on me. My husband plows snow, and so it is all up to me to make sure all of the homework and schooling gets done. We actually had 2 different snowstorms this week. So the first storm dropped about like 5 inches of snow, and my husband was out plowing, and so I wanted to get the snow off the deck and make sure that that was all good for the blizzard that was coming the following day, and make sure that wasn't going to pile up. But anyways, this was all at like, I don't even know, like 9:30 in the morning. We got a lot done right away. My husband actually got home early on this day and actually went to bed so he could get some sleep because he was working all night and then knew he would have to go out during the blizzard. So anyways, he did get home. We got the dishes done, and then we started reading every day. We always read a book, especially with the older kids home. I wanted to make sure that they got in their 20 minutes of reading. We always make sure at night they get their 20 minutes of reading in, but I wanted to sit down and read with them. So we picked out some fun winter books, sat down. The older 2, so Maya wanted to sleep in on this day. Noah, I think he was just chilling. I am not really like picky on when they get their schoolwork done, as long as it gets done that day. And so, yeah, the boys were looking at a book, and Tommy was looking at his new little touch and feel book. He loves those books. It's his favorite. Also, one thing I forgot to mention was breakfast. We have simple breakfast in this house. Cereal, yogurt, nothing too special. We're all just trying to wake up at that point, and no one wants a camera in their face that early.
Justin, Chuck. You want one of these? Come on. No. Sissy. That was.
Maya finally rolled out of bed and came downstairs. She's sitting right next to me. She's laughing, but she slept in and she was practicing walking with Tommy. And so Noah also came downstairs as well. And instead of like playing, I'm pretty sure they were up in their room playing as well. Morning is morning play. I don't really like them on electronics in the morning. I really try to encourage them to play with toys. So in their room, downstairs, it doesn't really matter. But Noah wanted to get his reading in, and so he was on the couch reading a Blippi chapter book, and we were all just playing with some toys and listening to Noah read and trying to finish my first cup of coffee, because at this point it is cold.
This is what the kids' flex learning days look like. So they no longer bring a computer home, which I actually like. And so you can choose. We choose not to go on the computer or tablets. We try to do something more
Educational.
interactive. And so for Maya, she has to do one thing from each category. So read a book from Epic for 30 minutes in a cozy spot, but instead of going on, she's going to read a book, just like an actual book and not a computer book. And then she can do math. We are not going to log on to a math thing. We are going to play a game or do a 7 to 10 word problem. And so that's pretty much, that's like the 4th and 5th grade. And then this one's Noah's. So his, write a kind note to a family member, help shovel your driveway, no technology, play a strategy game. We also have listen to a book or read a book, read for 15 minutes, jumping jacks, just like, it's pretty simple to be honest. So And then I have to print Weston's off, and his is even easier. So that is what they're working on.
If I was a snowman, but I don't like the word snowman. Snowman. I like snow girl better. If I was a snowman, snow girl, what will I do? Well, I will make 3 balls. 1 big one, 1 medium one, and 1 small one. Then I'll decorate it with a hat, and arms, and a carrot nose, eyes, and mouth. And at night, I would go to see my snowman friends. Well, I got scissors.
Here, no, we don't need scissors.
Yes, I do.
Oh, look at, no,
I don't want to rub it.
there's a line, honey. Let me show
Yeah, I
you.
know. I tried to do that.
Look, you go like this. Okay. And then you go like this. You go like this. Look at that. Perfect.
At this point, it is time for lunch. I do want to mention the kids do have a morning snack around, I'd say like 10:30. They chose either granola bars, fruit snacks, banana, applesauce. I don't really care. Whatever's in the pantry for a snack, they choose. But for lunch today, they're having meatballs, mango, cheese and spinach pasta, and french fries. Now, trying to find a lunch for all 5 kids that they're all going to enjoy is very difficult. So it is like a cluster of food, but yeah, most of them enjoyed it. Weston, very picky, did not eat half of it, and Charlie kind of picked at it. Tommy loved it, absolutely loved it.
The boys and I are in their room. It's a little bit of a mess, but we are contained. We are just changing scenery at this point, and they are playing. Oh my goodness. Did the dinosaurs get you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're playing with this dinosaur.
A dinosaur stay.
Oh my goodness, they're playing with this dinosaur play set. Wes is playing up there, and Noah and I are going over his homework. So I have the kids do their homework first, and then we check in, and then we go over it. Just changing some things around a little bit. So it's going to be what? 6 times
10.
6 times what?
10.
10, yes. So we need to, on this number model, this is not how we did it growing up, but whatever. Okay, count down by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many do we go over? 10. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
so all the way over. Okay, well, are you just now learning multiplication in school?
Yeah.
Okay. So anything times 10 with like the single digits, just add a 0. So if it's 6, add a 0, which would be 60. 3 add a 0 is 30. 2 add a 0 is 20, yeah. What about 4? 4 times 10 would be, add a 0, 40, yeah. So if 6 times 10, what do you think that is?
60.
60. What if I do 8 times 10?
80.
Yeah. What if I do 9 times 10?
90.
Yeah, let's do a little bit harder. What if I do 10 times 10? Add a 0 to
100?
Yeah, and then you keep going. 110, 120, 130, 140.
40, 150.
Yeah. So now can you count to 10 from count by tens? 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Smart boy. See how easy the tens are? And then you just keep going. So then it would be 210.
10, 220, 230, 240.
See, you know, you got it. All right, so this should be easy. What is 6 times 10? Remember?
Yeah.
60. All right. Would you like to count to 20?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear
I
you.
know how.
Okay, let's hear you count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know how to count backwards at 10. 12, 14, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. All right, let's hear you count back from 10.
10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
0.
Now my time.
Okay.
I'm gonna start to.
Count from 20.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna.
You want to count down from 10?
No, 20.
Okay.
20, 29, 28, 7, 27, 28, 29, oh, 20, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24,
23.
23, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Laughter!
Are you blowing bubbles? Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, that was silly. So this was yesterday's work and everything that the kids got done. So I printed off some multiplication for Maya, her story. She also had to write for, where did it? Help an adult with dinner, measuring ingredients and how you would double it. And so this is all the work that she did. Oh, she also did cursive. I forgot I printed this off for her. This was not, like she didn't have to do this, but she really wanted to. So she did really good yesterday, but we are on day 2 now. This is Noah's, and so he had to make some snowflakes, and then he had his math homework from earlier in the week, so we just finished that up. And then I took a picture of him reading a book just to show that he was reading a book. But yeah, everything else was like jumping jacks and little things like that. So he is good for yesterday and just need to start him on today. Here's Weston's work that he had to do. His is pretty simple, like some jumping jacks, call a special friend, but then also, you know, read. So we did take a picture of the books that they read, and then another thing was draw a picture of something you'd like to do in the summer. So he did that, and then we also have his fluency sheet on here. So he is done for yesterday and needs to get started on today.
How are we supposed to make a bridge if we have no more platforms? Yeah. Like, how? Weston made this happen.
All right, you guys, I am going to end this vlog. I did go on and print off a couple more worksheets for the kids. I just use education.com. Definitely check it out. Love it. But we are ending this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we will talk to you in our next vlog. Bye.